Thank you for joining us to find out what's new in 2. Today we're going to take a closer look inside of DocStyle 2.0 and introduce one of our brand new features to you in 2 minutes or less. We don't have a lot of time, so let's get started. Change format is a brand new concept, one we've designed specifically for the DocStyle ribbon and placed inside of Microsoft Word. Whenever you receive documents from others, they tend to look a little different from that of your typical firm standard. Being able to change the formatting quickly and easily can be a real time saver. Change format will allow you to conform these documents and match your individual firm style in seconds. Adjust individual settings so you can define formatting such as font type, size, justification, and margins throughout your document. In addition to making changes on the fly, you can save these settings within groups for future use. Simply edit your individual settings, click Save, give your new group a name, and this new collection of settings will be available the next time you need to change formatting for this type of document. Change format has been designed to add functionality you do not receive directly from templates, while simultaneously preparing your document for automatic styling. If you'd like to learn more about how DocStyle 2.0 can dramatically improve efficiencies within your organization, contact us today. You can get in touch with us by visiting our website at www.docstyle.net.